in this video, we will learn how to complete a multiple command task into a single task using xarg. And so basically, what is xarg? Xargs is a Linux command that takes item from the standard output or a file and convert them into an argument for another command. And it's allow you to process multiple input efficiently. So, for example, like I want to add a particular line into a multiple files. So instead of editing each file, I can done through a xr by using a single command only. So, like for example, in this command, I list all my txt file, and then through xarg, I echo that line hash added by xarg in all the files. So, like we will do in this example in my terminal also. So I just copy this command. So I am going to my terminal and give me a moment. Yeah. So I have 4 files with extension .txt, and like I want to add that particular line in all files. So first, like we check what is the end of all files. So just I'm tail all the files. So these are some lines and lines of each file. So now I just use xr command, and now I'm tail all the files. So it's added that line in each files. So like that's a way we can done this type of task by using only a single command. So like next we have an next example. So I want to compress two files that have a like most large files in any directory. So I just copy this file also, and we just check what these are the test2 and test1, test4 and 3, test3. These are 4 files, and test4 and test3 have most large file in this directory. So for same, I am using this command to zip these two largest file. Now, like after using this command, it's zip test4 and test3 files. So now, like there is one more example. Like if I have a multiple processes running on my system, and I want to kill all the processes. So through xr, we can do simply just like grab all the processes IDs through grab and doc command, and then pass all the process ID in xr as an argument. So the xarg will like implement kill -9 all the process IDs. So also we can use xarg into a remote server also, instead of using Ansible or like bash scripting for any for any simple task like restarting any service or like copy any file, take a backup of any files in multiple servers. So we can done through xarg only. So like for example, I want to check the status of Nginx service in my 2 remote servers. So like this exa command, I can simply do same also. So I just run this command. So what this command do? This take both 2 IPs and argument, and exarch run the SSH command in both of the IPs. So it's return the output of first and second server both as print on the terminal. Now, like I can restart also service. So now, what this command do? This restarted the Nginx service in both server. We can verify through xr command. Now we can check our Nginx service active 6 seconds ago only. So if I want to run these command in parallel, basically what I want to restart Nginx on both server at the same time. So we can also use parallel -p and give argument give 2 based on the arguments. Like I have using 2 remote servers, so I just give 2 in parallel. So it's restarted Nginx at the same time without -p. It will do first restart on the first server, then the restarted, then it restarted on second server. So like in this video, we learn how to like to automate or like use XR command. And yeah, so that's for all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.